It's funny because I just sent one out a couple days ago, and just out of curiosity, I put it in ChatGPT and said, "Hey, can you improve upon it?" And yours was better in ChatGPT because at the end it said, "Oh, your next step is too aggressive."
I don't want to say anything bad about ChatGPT, but across the board, it is going to screw you the hell up in your sales career. Why? What is the origin of ChatGPT? The origin of ChatGPT is they've loaded all of the pre-existing information on everything, sales included, into it. Here's the problem. What is all of the information out there? I'm not going to name names. You guys know who the names are. There's some good stuff and there's just some downright awful stuff, and then most of it's somewhere in the middle. The problem is people that write sales books don't typically sell anything, or they do it for a very limited amount of time, right? And they have to have a clever sales book. They've got to have a methodology. You've got to have 42,000 stages to the thing. We got to call something clever. We're in a submarine here, guys. We got to move to the next. It's great for writing a book, okay? Not so great when you really want to sell stuff, because what ends up happening is we oftentimes spend too much effort on the deals that are never going to close because they're willing to walk through all of these steps, because a lot of them just want to have a meeting. They just want to fill up the white space on their calendar. And the people that would have bought a lot faster, well, we're getting in our own way. That's why with this email, and you won't find it in any other book unless I write the book, which I don't have any plans on writing a book anytime soon, is so simple. It's their current situation. It's the capabilities that they need. We're checking in. Does that match what you needed? Did I miss anything? And then we're proposing a next step. We're being aggressive with that next step, but we're not being pushy. How is it that we're not being pushy? Because we're saying literally right out of Easton University, does it make sense to blank? I'm not asking them to do anything, but they can clearly see where we're headed. And in Chris's point, then they can come back and go, I like it. It matches what we need. Everything's there. However, next steps for us is we need to get an NDA in place, right? And now he's again moving the deal forward. But a lot of times we put too much fluff because we go to AI and we say, rewrite this email, and AI makes it fluffy because that's just what AI does. I'm not asking you guys to be terse. I'm not asking you guys to be obtuse. I'm just asking you guys to be professional. You will never hear a pilot going into Atlanta going ATL Tower, flight 703, I'm kind of feeling like I want to land. How are you guys feeling about landing? What's going on? How's your day going? Right? They're being crystal clear and calm, cool, and collected. We're at 7,500, requesting permission to move down to 1,500 and align ourselves in the pattern to land. 87230 approved, base runway 18, right? We can be that skillful. You can also be that professional. You can also have rapport. But rapport is not, how's your day going? Hope all is going well. Happy whatever to you, Tuesday to you. Rapport is based on my understanding of your current situation. You guys want to go from here to here, right? That's going to really hit them in the heart and go, wow, this guy really gets it. He's trying to help me achieve my goals.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.